Come to DJ's Pressing Sports. We've just acquired this beautiful Golf. It's the R spec, absolutely lovely condition, big spec as well. So it's got all the R body styling. It's only just arrived, so it's going to be valeted. Got to have a few bits and pieces done to it yet. It's got the panoramic roof, tilt slide, a very rare option on a Golf. Factory tints, rear park distance control, boot area is in lovely condition with the parcel shelf. Electric windows and mirrors, R-in bus seats, 85,801 miles, factory satellite navigation, park distance control, different driving modes, sport, whatever. Right, we got on here, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, cruise control, lovely R spec, full leather steering wheel, auto headlights, let's say tilt side pan roof. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.